Good afternoon. We are the student of final year chemical engineering, Shroff SR Rotary, Institute of Chemical Technology. Our project ID is 120697. The topic of today's presentation is to study tech economy feasibility and design of municipal solid waste pyrolysis plant. Our project is guided by Assistant Professor Hemant Balsra, followed by an e-poster and video presentation. So starting with the abstract of our topic, the abstract is the disposal of municipal solid waste can be done by several technology. The pyrolysis is one of the suitable process through which energy contained in waste can be recovered. This technology is widely seen as a promising technology for converting solid organic material like biomass, plastic into wet or oil gases product, which can be used as a heavy fuel oil substitute or as raw material by the petrochemical industry, or can be used as energy source in gas or oil furnace. The details kinetics analysis, material and energy balance calculation are very helpful in determining the tech economy feasibility of the process and also in designing commercial pyrolysis plant.
Myself Arun Kandani, and I am going to continue with brief introduction about pyrolysis process. To any organic product. In this treatment, material is heated to high temperature and in the absence of oxygen goes through chemical and physical separation into different processes. Due to this, the decomposition of chemical bond take place and which leads to the formation of new molecules. So simply we can convert waste material into useful products like fuel. Now coming to the types of pyrolysis process, there are three types of pyrolysis process. First one is fast, second intermediate, and third one is slow. And these three methods are based on temperature and heating rate. Now, totally we coming to the thermochemical technologies, we have total 5 thermochemical technologies which are used for the conversion of the waste material into useful product, which are pyrolysis, second one gasification, third is liquefaction, fourth one is incineration, and fifth one is combustion. While comparing pyrolysis with combustion and liquefaction, the pyrolysis has the following advantage. First one, the main product is bio-oil and the yield may be as high as 75%. Second, the bio-oil may have a high content of carbon. And third one, the bio-oil may have low nitrogen and nitrogen content. Now I will hand over to my colleague Siddharth. Over to you, Siddharth.
Kinetics of municipal solid waste pyrolysis, and to perform the material and energy balance calculation, then to perform cost analysis and designing of process and auxiliary equipment needed to.
My name is Sayus, and in our project, we design pyrolysis plant. We first do material and energy balance. Then after, we calculate the time required for heating of particles and time obtained from kinetics data. We also find out residence time of each particles in the reactor, and we show that how time required for complete combustion of particle changes with changing radius of particle size. Then after, we calculate volume of the reactor, and from this volume, we determine length and diameter of the reactor. At last, we optimize our process, means for a given conversion required less volume, and for a given volume of the reactor required maximum conversion. Now, I hand over to my colleague, Saklin.
Hello, my name is Saklin, and let's talk about the advantages. So, according to our research, pyrolysis is the best method for converting waste to energy. During the process, compared to other process, it produces less SOx and NOx gases, which is completely environmental free process, because it helps to recycle waste which pollute our environment. And for scale up pyrolysis plant, auger reactor is the best one compared to other. Now coming to conclusion, so our according to our previous study, auger reactor is the best reactor suitable for pyrolysis of MSW, not only for produce good quality of bioil and biogas, but also owing to less pre-treatment. It reduces many other pre-treatment and many other processes which is required in regular pyrolysis. So on the basis of that, we have optimized the feasibility of pyrolysis of municipal solid waste to improve the yield recovery. Thank you.